Hello there, my name is Jeff Gregory. I'm standing in the Welsh elections on May the 6th. I'm standing for the party Propel. I'm in for politics, not for myself, I'm in for people. I've seen so many things happen in the Rhondda, not for good, but for bad. We've the forgotten Rhondda Valley, and I think it's time people stood up and spoke about it. And I believe in democracy, and I think over the last couple of years, democracy's gone out through the window. You take Labour and Plaid Cymru, when we had the EU results, they tried to change it, they voted against it. I believe in democracy. I also believe that it's our duty to stand up for our community. We can blame lots of people, but I'm going to take responsibility, because what I want for my children is what you want for your children. And together, with the Propel party, we can win this seat, because it's time for change. Labour and Plaid Cymru, they've had too much of a good thing, and I don't think they've done really anything for the Rhondda Valley. They've taken the votes and done nothing and given nothing back to people. We have got to change that. And we are a party of people. We get Plaid Cymru saying they're the party of Wales. If they're the party of Wales, why did they try to change the vote of the EU? Whether you're for the EU or not, that has got to change. And when I go down to the Welsh Parliament, and when I'm there to represent you, I'll be there for you, not for myself. I'm not a professional politician. I've gone through the highs and lows of the Rhondda Valley. Fortunately enough, I've had quite a good life and I've always been able to work. But that has not always been the case around here. We've got tremendous talent in this Rhondda Valley. We need to sort of use it. We need high aspirations. And I believe it's time to invest in this Rhondda Valley. Too much money you've got to certain places. And another thing we can be doing is extracting what we've got underneath us. You know, we had collieries, now we can take something back from that. We can extract the gas from there and use it to make Wales a better country. But another thing we need to do is the fraud which is going on. There's millions upon millions being wasted down in the Welsh Assembly. A friend of mine, I can't mention his name for obvious reasons, he works there and he told me there's millions upon millions. Let's eradicate homeless, let's eradicate people going hungry, people on the streets. This is what we need to do. It's not a rocket science what I'm trying to say, and I don't pretend to be an intellectual, but I am a man to represent you, and I will make 100% commitment to achieve this, but I can only do it with your support. Let's get rid of Labour. They're not the party for us around here. They do not represent. There's only 30% maybe will vote Plaid Cymru. Plaid Cymru will jump into bed with Labour because Plaid Cymru want power at any reason at all. We've got to make sure that doesn't happen. We need people down there representing us. We've talked about it for so long. False promises. Let's change things. Let's get democracy where it should be. Everybody got a voice. Our leader, who's a member of the Senate, he's stopped sometimes from speaking in debates and he's elected by the people. That's got to be wrong. You know, it's time for change, and I believe that we are the party to do it. Please give me a chance and I will not let you down, because if I let you down, I'm letting myself down, I'm letting my family down. And let's go forward. We are not the past, we are the future. And thank you for the time, and I look forward to seeing you when I'm elected to the Welsh Parliament. Thank you very much. I'm Jeff Gregory and I'm standing for Propel in Rhondda.